first time I'm making the announcement. I've yet to put it out there because I wanted to wait till I got my shipment in. But I am going to be designing for Angel Dream Crafts. Kim of Angel Dream Crafts. Probably most of y'all know her. She's got amazing stuff in her Etsy shop. And I'm so blessed that I have been sent a package full of some of her amazing stuff. And I am going to show y'all what I've got here that I'm going to be designing with now. Y'all please excuse my speech. My mouth is all messed up. I go to the doctor tomorrow. But anyway, it's a little difficult to talk, but I did want to share this with y'all, and I'm excited to go through it. And I didn't want to do that without y'all. So I'm going to do a little video here of me doing the unboxing. I've yet to see anything. So let's get started. I did cut it open so I wouldn't have to do that on camera. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. It's already so pretty. Excuse me, my goodness. Look how pretty. What a gorgeous package, Kim. Wow. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay. That is gorgeous paper. Let's see if I can save that and use it later. It's really pretty. I want to be able to use that as well. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Let's do this. I thought it was closed from back here. Is it not? I know it's closed from up here. Easy, easy, easy. Save it, save it, save it. Okay. Y'all look, that's just so pretty. I love that. Okay. I'm going to have to cut this open because I cannot see. I'm not wearing my granny glasses. I thought it looked like back here. You know what? Yeah, down here. Y'all, we're just going to pretend like that didn't happen, okay? We're just going to move on and pretend like it didn't happen. Oh my goodness. We're going to blame it on me not wearing my granny glasses. All right, y'all. Oh my goodness, I see so many goodies. Okay. I've got these little pearlized blinged hearts, and I know I've got some more in here as well. I see them. And here's a whole little baggie of some goodies. Okay, we've got the pearlized hearts. My cat is just beating on my door. Got these little cabochon ladies. I love those. Can't wait to make something with those. Some cute little scissors. So pretty. Those are adorable. Yes, I tried to open it up. It's probably a good thing they don't open up because I'd end up cutting my finger or something probably. Each one has a different, can y'all see? Let me look up here on my camera. See what y'all can see. There we go. I'm excited. I'm excited to use these. So pretty, Kim. Okay, and another heart. Let me sit down here, get away from the camera so I'm not yelling. All right, y'all. It's our card. Got a bunch of different kind of flowers. Got some white silk rolled flowers with some, looks like some chiffon outer petals and some sage green leaves. Got some white petals here with some pearls and bling. So pretty. And then we have the cream. Oh, y'all know how I love that. Pearl with dangles. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Got some flower appliques. Those are so pretty, and I've already got in my brain what I want to do with these. So pretty. Oh, some more. Yes, y'all know I'm a feeler of the stuff. I can't help it. If it's pretty, I'm a feeling. Ah, that is beautiful. I'm just a sucker for appliques. Can y'all see the pale pink sequins there? I love these draping pearls there. That is beautiful. Got some more little flowers. Oh, these are cute. Look. Adorable. Got some pink. I love that mesh. So pretty. Excuse me. Let's see here. Oh, I love it. Let me see what y'all can see. Okay, this is rose gold with every other is pearl and then rhinestone. So pretty, so sparkly. I love it. Put that over there with the other bling. Let's see here. Oh my goodness, I see polka dots. Yep. Oh, that is so cute. I like that. That is so cute. I've never had one like that. Oh, and look, we got the white too. That is so pretty. So pretty. Love the polka dots. Oh, look how vintagey looking. I love that color. What a gorgeous trim. What a beautiful dainty pink trim. I like that. And then last one. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. I love that. I love that color. Have y'all seen that meme, or it's rather it's audio on Instagram, or it's probably on TikTok too, I don't know, but I've seen it on Instagram, and it's I wish I knew what movie it was from. It's Marilyn Monroe. It's someone speaking to her, and they said, why do you make everything so fanciful? Why does everything have to be special to you? And she said, well, because it is. And I was telling my husband last night, I'm like, that's how I feel. I just absolutely do. And so, you know, I make these videos and I show y'all this stuff, and I know that I'm excited and just beaming in every single one about what I'm showing y'all, no matter what it is. I would not show y'all anything that I didn't love and that I didn't enjoy. I simply wouldn't. And I knew that I would love whatever Kim sent. And you know, and I just feel that way. This stuff that Kim sent me, this is part of happiness, you know, and it is special. All of it is special. And is fanciful and is happiness. It's special. So I don't know. I don't know why that entered my mind. I just thought I would share it, and I like that, you know, because it is. Anyway, I thank y'all for watching. I will leave the link to Kim's shop down in my description. Y'all go check her out. Y'all are going to absolutely love the shop. And let's show her some love. And thanks, Kim. And we'll talk to y'all again soon. Thanks. Bye.